Enti anyone adwobre and I'm video catcher say Igbo King in Ghana no, allegedly he's been arrested. He's been busted. Emma me drop video in a man for oh Penyah oh boy and Penyah oh yachina copy station ko twa video me ahram say wait a minute yachino I say yachino now Hassan Ayariga or no and make the arrest of this Igbo King no wabechire mu die ntia okochi Igbo King etum no was had in same bebrebe anaba eniema Igbo King Ghana ha say human trafficking our do mbebo ahyewo say drug dealing enema funu a Igbo King Ghana hanmo enuntina Hassan Ayariga emekọchiri no babechiremu na Hassan Ayariga asset train support to the youth omochire on the 19th of July, that is Saturday be yana omo demonstration Igbos must go when Igbo King but Igbos in Ghana must go in this video home come I Penyah block media mess was any demo over like video no that my subscribe button the snap back the cable notification and latest updates now better why you the mama e will comment especially so baswa you want shiving from so enya bi ahwe enti the alleged Igbo King in Ghana his Royal Majesty Dr. Chukwudi Jude Ihenetu Ohazrume the first Eze Ohazrume the first in Ghana here my bro many videos on him now the recent video I say latest Nungwa festival is omuye your homo festival Nungwa for celebrity is na my or was even on almost so what I say Emma me say we catch ourselves pay what Igbo brotherhood e Ghana ha yes o chi Ghana boss o chi Ghana ye ne dia me ni asante crowd brotherhood ye ni ewe brotherhood but papa enya Igbo brotherhood e Ghana ha yes in Nigeria life na eno mo na ja o de ba Ghana as is one ti obi a case Nigeria 7 na Omanaja 7 na ewe radio ewe moja ni mu ewe bloodline ni mu etiende e da ba Ghana ha no Emma everyone be catch us say through the corridors of gossip matitering from him said this Igbo man yachino I say yachino me drop in the comment that you say Penyah de Petren Penyah de Petren Penyah de Petren Hassan Ayariga our APC flag bearer All People's Congress obedin kuma atiri mu die ntia o me akwache Igbo King enwa anadwobre ewo Accra emontime so
who has lived with Nigerians will tell you that Massa be careful. And let me be
so what report did you give to the police?
You remember when this incident happened, I wrote to the NIB and the National Security, telling them to, and then Land Commission and all that, to investigate into the matter and to strip him of the title King. He cannot be comparing himself to Ashantahini and all that. And funny enough, this King, or whatever we call himself, finds his way of dining with NDC and MPP. You realize all
well, there's some videos that they'll be putting up. Please show us some of the videos.
Yes.
Well, the story is that he was a big contributor to political campaigns.
But not... that can be his problem if they are not arrested.
There you see him over there.
Yeah, and look at this one.
Yeah.
In this country.
But this is long ago. This is not recent.
This is recent. This is his kingdom.
This 2025. This is before election.
This is before election.
Yes.
But what is wrong with this and today? It's the same story.
Yeah, but he got endorsement from political leadership. That's the point I'm making.
Oh, okay, that's what you are making.
Yeah, that's Johnson Asiedu
sitting down there.
The chairman of the NDC.
Why?
Seated right there.
Does it make it right?
I'm not saying it's right or wrong, but I'm telling you where he gets his power from.
Yes, and he's not going to get it from me. And I'm going to distill that power, and I've done that.
You've done that? You're a minority party.
It doesn't matter. There's one truth in life. The Ghanaian society will rally behind me in any circumstances against this man. If I say tomorrow there's a demonstration, you will see the number of people who come out to support this demonstration against our politicians who are allowing it. Look, like I said, our forefathers toiled for this nation. They died for this nation. Our current politicians, what are we doing? We're selling out the nation for peanuts. Everybody is welcome in Ghana. Look, you remember in the last parliament, 2 parliaments ago, when I went to parliament, who has lived with Nigerians will tell you that Massa, be careful. And let me be
so what report did you give to the police?
You remember when this incident happened, I wrote to the NIB and the National Security, telling them to, and then Land Commission and all that, to investigate into the matter and to strip him of the title King. He cannot be comparing himself to Ashantahini and all that. And funny enough, this King, or whatever we call himself, finds his way of dining with NDC and MPP. You realize all
Well, there's some videos that they'll be putting up. Please show us some of the videos.
Yes.
Well, the story is that he was a big contributor to political campaigns.
But not, that can be his problem if they are not arrested.
There you see him over there.
Yeah, and look at this one.
Yeah.
In this country.
But this is long ago. This is not recent.
This is recent. This
No,
is his
not recent.
kingdom.
This 2025. This is before election. I think.
This is before election.
Yes.
But what is wrong with this and today? It's the same story.
Yeah, but he got endorsement from political leadership. That's the point I'm making.
Oh, okay, that's what you are making.
Yeah, that's Johnson Asiedu
Sitting down there.
The chairman of the NDC.
Why?
Seated right there.
Does it make it right?
I'm not saying it's right or wrong, but I'm telling you where he gets his power from.
Yes, and he's not going to get it from me. And I'm going to distill that power, and I've done that.
You've done that. You're a minority party.
It doesn't matter. There's one truth in life. The Ghanaian society will rally behind me in any circumstances against this man. If I say tomorrow there's a demonstration, you will see the number of people who come out to support this demonstration against our politicians who are allowing it. Look, like I said, our forefathers toiled for this nation. They died for this nation. Our current politicians, what are we doing? We're selling out the nation for peanuts. Everybody is welcome in Ghana. Look, remember in the last parliament, 2 parliaments ago, when I went to parliament.
Did he acquire the land?
That is his problem. Whether he did or he did not, he's voicing out that he has. And the videos are there. So we are taking his word again.
So is he being released on bail?
Yes, this afternoon he complained of high BP.
In the cell?
In the cells. And said his BP has gone up. You know, yesterday when he was invited, he went there with the ambassador. Nigeria.
Ambassador of what?
Nigeria.
Nigeria's ambassador to Ghana.
Nigeria ambassador to Ghana. He went there with his lawyers and all that, thinking that it was the ordinary citizens, what do you call it, NIB or National Investigation, National Security who just listen to him and ask him to walk away. This is not that national security you're thinking of. This is a different national security altogether. They will investigate. As a citizen of Ghana, when you send a petition, they will have to listen to your petition. So they listened to your petition. So the investigation went through. And he was panting, sweating. He's not a king, he's not a what. This is the palace you've built, and you're calling yourself a king. You're causing mayhem in this country. Your Nigerian boys are going around telling Ghanaians, threatening Ghanaians that if they kill one Ghanaian, Nigerian, they will kill 50 Ghanaians. Your Nigerian people are going around telling Ghanaians that one Ghanaian has come to Ghana and Ghana is on fire. Can you imagine? If I show you videos of this man, he said we are uncultured as citizens. I'm sure I've sent some of the videos to you. Insulting the integrity of the people who has given you land to live, to stay. Can you do that in Nigeria?
Is he an Igbo royal in Nigeria?
No, he's not. He came here as an Igbo businessman selling cassettes.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
Cassettes?
Cassettes.
And he made millions of CDs to buy land?
He did not make millions of CDs. He brought in a lot of prostitutes.
Prostitutes?
Ladies. You know the Nigerian ladies on the, what do you call it, cycle and all that?
I don't understand.
You don't know the syndicates of this Nigeria.
So he came selling cassettes, then he brought in...
Then they started trafficking...
Night workers?
Night workers, and now they started bringing Igbo boys and parading himself as the king.
But how does that make him rich?
Because they pay dues to him.
Who pays dues to him?
All these Nigerian boys who have shops in Nigeria. In Ghana here. The Nigerian boys with shops in here. They pay dues to their king.
Is that a lot of money?
Of course, that's a lot of money for him. He's like their God in Ghana. So the fact is that any problem they go through, they come to him, and don't forget, they know how to do this business. He's been able to parade him among all the big men in Ghana, showing himself in every kind of, what do you call it, gathering, and dressing and walking and making himself look. Even he's met the former president, he's met the current president, he's met Asante, he's met a lot of people, he's gone to visit them. That is power he's using to get from his own people. They now trust and believe. When I'm president of the Republic of Ghana, inshallah, no foreigner will own property in Ghana.
Oh, no foreigner should own property in Ghana?
Will own property.
Don't you have property in Germany?
That is the German law.
But if you have property in Germany,
That's a
you don't
German
want
law.
Germans to have property in Ghana.
That's my law as president. I'm trying to protect the sovereignty of our nation, the lands of our, future generation, so that nobody takes. We have limited land. Land does not increase, it decreases. And once it's sold out, it's gone.
Yeah.
And Mr. Paul, if you look around Ghana, check around all the most important places in this country, the very luxurious communities and areas, all the properties there are owned by foreigners.
That's kind of true.
You understand?
From 1960s.
Till date, we're losing our sovereignty gradually to the foreigners. And look around again, all the big companies, from Spinters to everywhere, go around the whole world, the country, it's owned by foreigners. Where do we live as citizens? Slums, areas. We get choked in Medina, we get choked in
Labadi.
Labas, we get choked in Nima, we get choked in Kaswa. We live in slums. And the most important places are being taken over by the foreigners in this country, living a life that they cannot even live in their own country. And we are losing everything. And the worst of it is that our chiefs, and our politicians are giving them the opportunity and the nod to take off everything. You are talking about history. Our forefathers fought, died for this country. And what are we doing? We're selling the country out.
What did the Igbo chief do wrong by buying land in Ningo?
First of all, calling himself a king in Ghana is wrong.
That's wrong. I agree with that.
Nobody who is not a citizen of this country can make himself a king in our country. You know the law. It doesn't permit that. So you coming to tell us that you are acquiring 50 acres of land to build a kingdom, an Igbo kingdom, so that it will become one of a kind in the world that has never happened anywhere in this country, shows that we are loose. We are allowing everybody to take over everything. And you are going to build a kingdom that is going to determine who becomes president in Nigeria?
In Nigeria?
Yes.
Kingdom in Ghana determines
who becomes president in Nigeria. The ministers of state will all be coming and through that gate, and anybody who wants to acquire land or property who is a Nigerian will come there and acquire land and build as a Nigerian and live. And that's an Igbo kingdom. Clearly, they are becoming another tribe in Ghana. Clearly, they are now rubbing shoulders with the kings of wherever they are getting the land from. And clearly, we are going to have a big problem in the future. Have you bothered to ask the kind of crime rate, then find out the associates of those crimes? And you will realize that 90% of every crime that is committed in this country, if you check the statistics, 90% is foreigners. And
well, I don't know about that.
10 is Ghanaians. Armed robbery,
Foreigners.
Nigerians have taken
Kidnapping.
over. Kidnapping,
Foreigners.
Nigerians have taken over.
Fraud.
Foreigners. Fraud, 419, killing
Yahoo.
what do you call it, scams and everything.
Fraud boys.
Fraud boys, they've taken over, they've manipulated the system. They are now the hierarchy of our nation in terms of anything. Right now, they're even killing landlords. They come, they rent your house, one person shows his face.
Then 30 come and live there.
Then 30 come and leave.
That's true. I hear that quite a lot.
And when you joke, they kill you. Our ladies, they are killing them, using them for their so-called rituals. Very soon, if we allow such a kingdom to happen, you will be registering missing people in this country every day.
Hassan Ayariga, and me got Igbo man no. I would say human trafficking, drug dealing, there's all sort of social violence still the cause of Ghana no. Igbo food, and according to Hassan Ayariga, and unti anybody dinner so and me got Igbo King and go shame. Now, Nyamya on the 19th of July, Ghana you treat them say, as a penny for Igbo must go, no, as a penny for no, woman in your, what I say, almost a parliament house, one me to be to you, but yet to social media, Igbos must go, Igbo must go, no, Omo found. It's you Tinagasa Komabo, on the 19th of July, 2025, year, almost yes in Montana, so I yet, Chentrenche, Ada, Abine said, Ye hear Igbo for Ghana ha. It's Igbo for enko.
Yo, this one quick update for the Nigerians. That's why they try speaking English give you guys. Listen. On the 19th, the demonstration where they come on. If you dare Accra, circle, where they sell phones, they authorize there. Now any Nigerian day there, if you know say you get shop for there, where they sell phones, listen, come out your phones, your laptop on the 18th, make no come out everything. You did the shop there, then leave the shop empty. Although yes, I want you guys to go and leave the girls here. I don't want you guys to lose anything. And Nigeria must go, yes. But you will leave the girls for here. And I don't want you guys to lose anything. I beg, listen. People go take advantage, do things. People go take advantage, do things. Take, and this place, Kumasi, I get update. Kumasi 2, where they sell phones. I beg, these two places saying, will be mad.
The 19th, Independence Square, Ghana ni bia beko woman koye protest no e dey against sa akwa we of friend who say Igbo King because se Ghana fo ntimi anyere wo mo ampushi sa agenda we ya nese wo mu masa akwa we twifa Ghana fo so a Ghana fo se ye ntimi anyere ye ho ampushi sa agenda we ama ehu bia ambo sa ankofo we na wo mu antu amfiri Ghana anko mu kurom nasi ye soro wo mo sensene wo mo dia eni Ghana fo mo pe baby eni afe na ye be yi wo bibiele ni wo Ghana ho afe ni ye be twitwa mo so nyina ye be twitwa mo twa nkote ne mo akwa mo nufu ni ade ye ba be twitwa ni nyina enti no you people should finish adia ya starting e wo say ye wie de ya starting Ghana for ade na ya starting Igbo King na yesi ye tu na se no e wo say ye wie de ya starting say ye ntimi nwi ya nika ya nhya ase me ye video we na me dia kanye nipa wo ma dwene se wo mu bua sa protest we ama ehun bi abosa nkofo we because boni nkofo we mu di Ghana for na no odin ano odin pa na me ke wonti ase ebia ada ekwan no ebechi aba wo fie no sada na abe mu se kwan ne ntem obi be ma sa comment we ajimifo na wo mu no jimi bi be ma comment we se me mebabi ai me wo Ghana nka mebabi ba me ni Ghana intimi mebabi nemo de meye ne se mebo hu de wuru me nka ma no ntum aso wo man bapa no me nka ma no ntum mebo hu de wuru kosi se Ghana benya ne fa hu di because ye jimi dodo ne yegu wo man ni obia wo bebo wo man ni mu bia ne yes sorry so ye bua ho se ne yankase ye nkofo enti ewo ye kan say 19th no Ghana ni bia nkohye obetimi nko ade akohye ho na wonso de obetimi no koye ne fa support na ye ntu sa nkofo we mase because ye sensene wo mo na se gya wo mu dia ene ho me mpa baabi ye mfa ye nanye de ye nsi ye ni kampake ye ho emom na enko e Ghana ma school ai say ye sensene sa nkofo we dia ebe tene ebe ye Ghana ma school enti say ya start ya e wo se ye de ye wie wo ye Ghana ni a ko na ko support na de obetimi bia ye boa na je o man Ghana si wo e fa man chiri ma e ba na wo ma me sofa eni ma fo a e koso ne ankwanko ha wo mu future da si bebri edini ye de the lioness e be side e hie bi share video ni mame
Emma o master to borrow Nigeria for the stores SS hon ma e dey think the score call the two say on the 19th enye fedi agro e don pass one Vermouth Vermouth. Obeta chira wadwen amame e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Media.